while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
Hello my friends, welcome to my Geek and Urban channel. Today I am going to unboxing the Infinix Hot S3. So this is the Infinix Hot S3 over here. So if you want to watch, please watch this video. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक दे दीजिए और कमेंट भी कीजिए एंड शेयर प्लीज मत भूलिए. सो लेट्स सी. So these are all the accessories which are there inside the box of the Infinix Hot S3. So this is the box. It look like it's the S3 and this one written the 20 megapixel low light selfie, the Infinix branding, and at the back there is a 20 megapixel low light selfie. It is written Qualcomm Snapdragon 18:9 aspect ratio, 4000 milliampere battery, bokeh and the beauty mode, and the XOS. That one is a customization screen. So next thing is the charger itself. This one is a charger. This one is a 5 volt at 2 amps. And this one is the silicone back cover over here. The quality is very nice. It's a silicone pouch. And this one is a SIM ejector tool over here. The SIM ejector tool is really very nice. See, it looks like this. It's a lollipop sign. And this one is a USB cable over here for charging and for the data transfer. And this one is a screen guard. That's a very good thing from the Infinix. They are providing the Infinix screen guard also. And this one is some booklets over here. And last but not the least is the phone itself. So this is the Infinix Hot S3. It looks like this. So at the back of the Infinix Hot S3 there is a Infinix branding over here. This one is a fingerprint sensor over here, and this one is a 13 megapixel camera with dual tone LED flash. And at the left side there is a dual SIM tray with a micro SD card slot. That's a very good thing. And at the bottom there is a USB port over here, the speaker grill and the noise cancellation microphone over here. And at the right side there is a power on off button over here, and at the top there is a volume up down button. And at the front there is a 20 megapixel front facing camera with dual tone LED flash. And at the top there is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. The build quality of the Infinix Hot S3 is really very nice. Yes, it does not support the metal unibody design, but still it's a rubberized plastic over here. It's very much sturdy. The plastic quality is very nice. It's a matte finish rubberized. And yes, though it has a 4000 milliampere battery, but still it's very much comfortable in your hand, as because the phone is very much light also. If you talk about the settings, then here the Android version is the system. About phone, the Android version is 8.0.0. So that's a audio out of the box. That's a very nice thing. And yes, it has a 3GB RAM version and 32GB internal. Out of that, how much they are giving? Out of 32GB, 8.38GB has been used, and I haven't installed any of the apps till now. And if you talk about the RAM management, then out of 3GB, it is used 1.7GB only. So if you talk about the specifications, then it supports the Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor, that is 1.4 GHz, and it has a 13 megapixel rear facing camera and 20 megapixel front facing camera with dual tone LED flash. It has a fingerprint scanner also, and it supports the 4000 milliampere battery. So if you talk about the battery life, yes, the battery life is very nice. I'm using from morning also. It's really very nice, but again I have to test a lot for this battery. If you talk about the camera, here the camera, front facing camera, is a 20 megapixel front facing camera. See, yes, you can see the Canon branding over here, the zoom lens. Let's click on photo. Hello YouTube. See the picture clarity. It's very nice. See the Canon branding over here, the EOS 750D. The very nice it is. Again I have to test a lot for this. And if you talk about the settings of the front facing camera, then it look like this. It has a delay capture, the touch capture, the guidelines, the level, the auto watermarks also is there. And advanced, if you talk about, there is a GPS location, front flashlight level. Yes, you can control the flashlight level also with medium, high, like that. And if you talk about the rear facing camera, here the rear facing camera is a 13 megapixel rear facing camera. The focusing is very fast. The focusing is very fast, and the shutter speed also is very fast. See, it look very much details like that. Again, the Infinix camera is lot more better if you compare to the Redmi Note 4 also or the Redmi 4 also. But again, I have to test a lot for this particular camera segment also, as because they are providing the 20 megapixel low light selfie. Yes, I have to test a lot for you all. Yes, if you talk about the fingerprint sensor, here it look like this: 1, 2, 3, it unlocks. Again, 1, 2, 3, it unlocks. Again, 1, 2, 3. It's very much fast. It's very much accurate also. The fingerprint sensor is really very good. And yes, there are many bloatware apps also. See the Magic Movie, the PHX browser. There are many sorts of bloatware apps. If you want, you can also uninstall like this. See, tap over here. See the uninstall button. Click it over here, then uninstall. So that's a very nice thing in this budget, that maximum phones are not giving the option of uninstall the apps, but still the Infinix is doing a good job in this budget. And yes, you all know that I am also using the Infinix Note 4 also. Infinix 05 also is very much good according to its camera, according to its performance also. But one best thing as they have given, that they are providing the Snapdragon 430 processor. With that, the camera is just awesome till now. And again, I have to test a lot also, then I could give you the full judgment of this particular phone.
When you want to get off there.
So this is just initial impressions of the Infinix Hot S3. Yes, it's one of the most promisable phone in this budget. But again, I have to test a lot for you all, as because the camera life, how it gives, the camera performance. Yes, the camera performance according to me is really fantastic in this budget. There is no such competitor in this particular area in this budget of rupees 8,999. So if you want, you can purchase from Flipkart. But again, if you want to see my full honest review of this particular Infinix Hot S3, please do let me know in the comment box. I will definitely tell everything in that particular video. So stay safe, be safe, ride safe, and give a big smile. Till now, bye bye.